So in honor of Martin Luther King, we're gonna learn some important words that are connected with the man and the holiday. Jacob, you go first. Say the word and spell it.
My word is boycott. B-O-Y-C-O-T-T.
Use it in a sentence.
We don't go to that store. We don't go to that restaurant because it's boycott.
That's good. Alice, your word today. Say it and spell it.
My word today is Selma. S-E-L-M-A. M-A, sorry.
Try it again.
S-E-L-M-A. Selma.
What is Selma?
It's a city in...
I think it's Alabama or Mississippi. Shame on me. I'm gonna go to Mississippi.
You are?
Yeah. Okay. Jada, your word is rights. You know how to spell it? Just try it.
R-A-L-I.
R-A-L-I. Try it again from the beginning.
R-I-G-H-T-S.
G-H-T-S. Use it in a sentence. And then I told you, hey, we have rights too, you know.
Hey, we have rights too, you know.
What are you eating, mamas?
I'm eating a cheeseburger.
And Jacob, what are you eating?
California classic.
A what?
A California classic.
Alice, what are you eating?
Chicken.
What?
Spicy chicken.
Don't you hate when you take a big bite of something, and then somebody asks you a question, and everybody's looking at you waiting for your answer, you're like,
That happens to me all the time.
do you have any parting words, mamas? Her too, huh?
Bye. Bye.